This changed as Roborock has released an add-on dock dryer module for the dock. First, unplug and set aside the existing gray power cord for your dock. You will not reuse this. Next, you're going to want to remove the old ramp by firmly pulling straight up. This is another part that you will not reuse. Next, grab the new ramp and insert the dryer module firmly into the left side of the ramp. There's no click, just push firmly all the way in. Next, line the dryer module up with the base and press down on the ramp to click it in place. Now grab the shorter of the two power cords and plug that cord into the dock. Plug the longer power cord into the wall. This one power cord will power the dryer and the dock. Before we get into the performance test results, let's take a closer look at everything. And I should mention the airflow was not very strong. On the top we see a single button with LED indicator light and a sticker reminding us to enable the auto drying in the app. Speaking about the app, first make sure that you have the latest updated app from the Apple and/or Android store. Going into the app here in Android, we want to go to the settings in the top right, then dock settings, and you're going to want to toggle on auto drying. It asks you to confirm that you have purchased the drying module, and then it's going to let you select either 2, 3, or 4 hours, depending on how long you want the air dryer to stay on. And that's all you have to do in the app. The air dryer will automatically turn on after a mop wash cycle and turn